Mr. Price, glad to be hearing from you. What'd I tell you? The news great, right?
How long?
I'd say about a minute 40-ish. I don't really know. You drive one of those, I don't know what you call them. This weird ass smart cars? Yeah, smart cars. Small as those things are, though, fuck, they look like little thimbles on wheels. They're actually pretty fast, so don't miss, alright? I'm all about saving the environment and all. It's just they look so freaking weird. Don't you agree?
Fucking hell!
Hey, listen, Mr. Price. Look, I know this is tough, but you've got to take it easy, okay? No need for language like that. No need to get worked up. Just relax, take a few breathers, just relax, man. You got this. Come on, Price. Game face. You've got this.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Jesus Christ, man. Just relax, okay? I'm not the best at comforting people, alright? I'll admit it. I need your A game. Just relax and focus. Don't even worry about the guy in the smart car, alright? Just don't forget. It's either him or you. What's it gonna be?